Good morning, fourth graders. Today I want to teach you that the Earth's four spheres interact or work together. Just like our systems in our body work together, the Earth's four spheres work together. So first, think back, what are the four spheres? You can review your notes, you can review the Earth's systems packet, but what you want to do is, after you feel like you have a good sense of what the Earth's four spheres are, at the back of your packet you have this page that says print for lesson 1, and you're going to need to cut these two are the same and these two are the same, so you only need one column. Okay, and you're going to be sorting those in order to review the Earth's four spheres and to notice how they interact. You're going to rewatch the Generation Genius video, Interactions of the Earth's Spheres, and then you'll cut and glue these pictures that you ripped off right into your packet on Minecraft Challenge. If you don't have scissors with you today, you can draw like a quick sketch and then you'll be able to quickly glue them on tomorrow morning as part of your morning work. But you should be able to do that really quickly. If you come in with this blank, that's going to tell me that maybe you did, and these not cut out, that maybe you didn't do what you needed to do, and that will be a warning. So just make sure that you set yourself up to be able to do it quickly. All right? Then the next thing that you need to do is set up your notebook. So you need your notebook opened to a fresh, clean page. Once you get to that clean page, date the top, 11, 12, 20, and you can say the Earth's spheres interact. Okay, so I'll show it to you now so that you're able to see and set up your notebook just like this. Excuse me. Okay, so if you need to pause and set up your notebook, you can set it up just like that. And the question that you're looking for while you watch the Generation Genius video is, how do the Earth's spheres interact? Once you have watched that, sorted your Minecraft pictures, and answered the question in a quick jot in 3 to 5 minutes, then you need to complete the reflection. You must have at least 4 sentences and include these following words: spheres, geosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere, and interact. If you're confused about any of those words, you can always go back and rewatch the video. Have a great day.